What is going on, everyone? We're back with the weekend soft roader. I'm just going to be showing you my awning mount that I have on my vehicle. As you can see here, pretty simple. I did have to buy a couple items from Amazon to get this to work, but it's working now. So what I have here is a roof basket, just a standard steel roof basket. The one I have is a max haul from Amazon, and I wanted to mount my awning to this so then if I do need to take it off, I could just remove the whole basket or these brackets here. So the first things first, this bracket connects up to the awning, and this comes with the awning itself. So this comes with the awning, and then it also comes with the mounting bolts, and that's the hole that you see here. And then also it comes with some additional bolts, but I did have to buy the bolts in the back to connect it up to this other bracket. Over at Home Depot, which is, relatively straightforward and easy. But to get this all mounted up, I did have to buy another part from Amazon, and I'll link it up. This is usually, this thing right here is for a recovery board or recovery boards, but I'm using it for the awning. And the reason why I wanted this was because of this U-bolt that you see that connects up to the roof basket, so then everything does work out. And then there's the bolts connected up, very sturdy, and I like this. And for added security, I did add a zip tie down there, but overall this holds the awning real tight. As you can see there, I'm wiggling it really hard. It's not going to be going anywhere. The only downside is that, as you can see, there's a little bit extended. I might cut that off, or I might cut that, but overall it's working for me. It's easy. As you can see, the awning's off right now. I usually take everything off when I park at home, and when I go on my trips I put it back on. But as you can see, you can just bolt it up. On the other side here as well, same sort of thing. It does increase the height a little bit, but that, this solution works out for me, as you can see here. So let me know what your thoughts are. Nice quick video. I'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day.